In this session I will explain you MasterDetail, how to create a MasterDetail page using a panel splitter component. So before creating a new application, I want to tell you, in the last video I was facing one problem. Integrated WebLogic server terminated while running the pages, so it's giving the wrong result as well. So what I did, I'm facing some problem with the Chrome. It is not accepting my installation, so I went to the Internet Explorer. I went to the Internet Explorer and I created the account, Oracle account, and I reset the password. Afterwards I type Oracle ADF 12c download. So here JDeveloper 12.1.3 download is there. If you click on this, here it is showing Windows 64-bit install. So click on this, you can install the JDeveloper 12.1.3 version. So now my Oracle JDeveloper is working fine and I am not getting any issue. I am getting the result as well, like I will show you. See, this is the MasterDetail report. If you click department ID 10, here 10 is coming. If you display the 20 department ID, 20 department ID is displaying, and 40 as possible how much you are using your department ID. So here, as you are seeing, this screen size is very small, difficult to read for the viewers. So what I did, here go to the Windows, in the setting I want to change this display resolution 1600 by 900. Here it is asking for keep changes. Now you can read it nicely. So here one change, and one more change is in the tools. In the Oracle also there is one change. If you want this Oracle type, here tools, preference, environment, look and feel how you want. It's Oracle screen or you want the Windows screen. So if you click on Windows screen, it is more better to read. Click OK. It is asking for restarting the JDeveloper for making changes. Click yes. Here it is asking integrated WebLogic server is on. You want to terminate this process? Yes. Studio developer all features, click OK. Okay, click on the source. Here I don't want this previous application, I will create a new application. So here we need to click on the file, new application, to create a MasterDetail. Select the ADF Fusion web application, click OK. Application name, suppose I want to give application 4, or you can say for the good naming, master detail application. Next, model. Now the view controller project, finish. Now what we have to do, we need the two tables, EMP DEPT. There is one department ID, there is common field or a column. So in these two tables you should have one common column, then only master detail is possible. In countries and location also, location ID is one common column. You can use those two tables. Or if you are developing your projects, you should have, if you want master detail, you should have one column common in both the tables. Now go to the model, right click, new, business components from tables. Here asking for new connection, give connection 4 or any name. This username is HR, in my case password is HR, and service name is XCPDB1. Now test connection, success. Okay. If you don't have tables, query, click on query. Here tables appear, departments. Click. If you want the countries and location, as you can see the department table I show you. If you want countries and location, okay, we will consider this. Countries table and locations. Okay, now I want to keep these tables in EO model dot EO. Next, we want the view object. Model dot view. Next, for the application module I want model dot AM. Click on next, finish. Now the model part is completed. Our application module, entity object and view object we created. So here it is model.am, model.eo, model.view. Now we want to create the page. Before that you save the things you had done. Now view controller, new page. So here I want the page name, master detail. Oh, caps lock is on. Master detail. So what I used before ADF page template how to create I show, and my template we created our own template. Now I am choosing reference ADF page template. I am choosing from the available one. I am choosing here there are three types: Oracle 3 column layout, Oracle dynamic tab shells, table first template. I am choosing table first template, this type. So it is what happened here, it will come the Oracle logo and here your tables. Click OK. Here this is the design part, taking some time. Click on the source. Here in the master detail.jsf structure, see this, let's Yeah, this is the page template. Here it is showing template facets. This many facets are there: center and footer, global links, header, start and status. So I want to keep my tables in the center of this screen. So what we have to do, the component panel splitter. What this component will do means it will divide the pages into two parts, first and second, so that we can keep in the first part our master table, countries, and in the detail table location. So bring this panel splitter to the center here, F asset center. Now you can see here this splitter divides the F asset first and F asset second. So in the F asset first, what you have to do, see here master detail, here countries view, under that there is a location view if you check in the data control. So master table we want to keep in the facet first, countries view bring this from the data control to the first part, and in table select ADF table, single row, enable sorting, enable filtering and read only. Click OK. Now save your work. And in the second facet you want the location, bring the location here, table, ADF table, okay. Now what we will do, we will run the page and see how it looks. So go to the view controller, this master detail JSF, and run the page. I choose the Internet Explorer browser here, so our run page will appear in this. If you want the gap between these two tables, here there is one property spacer, and if you want to increase the size of this table, there is a panel splitter. In this there is a position, here you can increase the position size as well. Yeah. Okay. Now if you here the country table and here the location table. For the records, here AU Australia, country ID. Okay, country ID is the common field here. So when you click here in the country ID in this table, B, here country ID there is no record. For Brazil, BR, there is one record in the location table. Denmark for DK there is no record. Egypt there is no record. For Italy there is one record. IT, country ID. Okay, I thought there is location ID is the common field here, but country ID is there. Country ID in both the tables. So this is the nothing but the master detail. When you click on master, the detail values should appear in the page. I hope this video is useful. So in the next coming videos I will talk about the other components with some useful information. Thanks for watching.